Hey guys, today we'll be showing you guys how to play Pictureka. The light colored cards are picture cards and the dark colored cards are mission cards. The picture cards have pictures on them, whereas the mission cards have 2 missions. So, shuffle the mission cards and place them in a face-down draw pile in the middle. Shuffle the picture cards and deal 8, face down to each player. Each player lays out their own picture cards face up in 4 piles of 2 cards as shown here. Everybody ready? It doesn't matter who starts. Turn over a mission card, read both missions out loud, and place it face up next to the draw pile. Everyone including you searches their top 4 picture cards for an image that matches either one of the missions. You cannot look for pictures on the bottom card until you have gotten rid of the top card. As soon as anyone finds a matching picture, they slap that pictured card down on top of the mission card and yell out, "Pictureka!" Describe what it is that matches the mission card. If the other players agree, you've successfully matched the picture cards. If not, take it back and keep looking for those missions until somebody gets rid of a card. The player who dumped a card now reads out the next mission card and the player continues. You can drop a penguin wildcard on any mission card. The first player to get rid of all 8 of their cards wins the game. Thank you so much!
Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with all your friends and families.